90s haircut layers are back in style more than ever, right? Almost actually more than in the 90s. But a lot of these classic shapes are becoming something that is very desirable because of how simple they were. Now, ladies first here, I'm going to show you a variety of hairstyles that have, longer lengths like this. I'm going to break down the layers. I'm going to go over some shorter haircuts on women and then also some men's hairstyles as well. So breaking this down into here, the one thing you can see is that the layers are falling very, very naturally, right? And I think something in the 90s, which was really, really flattering, was the fact that it was just very, very soft, natural looking hair. And in this particular situation and hairstyle, the face framing is really what is the most important here, and also the length of the layers. Now, depending on if you are trying to do this yourself at home, I always say do it at your own risk. But this front part right into here is really going to determine the actual shape around your face, around your cheekbones, the jawline, all that stuff. Because if it's too long, it could actually elongate the face. And if it's too short, which is maybe say way up here, it's creating a whole different type of look. And I think this 90s hairstyle trend of kind of medium to longer length layers is something that just softens the face overall, mixed in with some length throughout the bottom here. So it's fairly, I don't want to say flat, but it's a lot closer to the head than maybe something you see in the 90s or even in the 80s or in the 2000s. So something that is more form-fitting to the head shape. You can have some movement, you can have some layers, but I think this is an awesome, awesome hairstyle. Now we're gonna go a little bit shorter with more of that pixie type of haircut. You could even think Pink, the singer Pink. She had that kind of like pixie, that textured look with very, very, a spike type of style, something that I think is making somewhat of a comeback, which is awesome. It's all about creating and finding that perfect length where a lot of this is all cut by hand with scissors. You can use clippers and go shorter throughout the bottom and the sides if you want. However, I think this 90s type of haircut is all about, once again, softness and having the haircut do all of the work. And this is a hairstyle to where, the haircut is speaking for itself. If you have a haircut like this is pretty much how you're going to be wearing it most of the time, which is spiked up and adding some texture to it, right? You can do a variety of styles with this. It's all up to you, but I think this overall look is something that is a really, really awesome statement. Here's another version of a similar type of haircut. Once again, a pixie cut. If this was brought down, it would be covering to about right into here, just past the eyes. And this is something where it's one of my favorites because it's a bit shorter, like the other one, working into a longer, softer flow type of hairstyle. Here we go. You want to spike it up, you want to flip it up, then there you go. That's all you need to do. Something that really works great for this type of look is one of my hair powders. I would highly suggest my updated Beach House, which is a sea salt hair powder. It literally has been reformulated, lots of improvements. It makes the hair actually feel soft and healthy while having that texture, which allows you to kind of work the style in all day. It's really become my favorite hair powder ever. So it's called Beach House, and it's available now. But I think you should highly check it out, and I hope you enjoy this type of 90s shorter layered haircut. Here we go, back with the famous mannequin with green hair, and I know a lot of you have seen this. This mannequin has gotten millions and millions of views over the years on my channel. So I would say, is this really heavily layered? Not necessarily. This is more of like all one length. However, it's a very strong 90s type of shape with an undercut. And the thing about this underneath, where the layers are, is all underneath here, and you can see it goes gradually softer. So this can be done by hand, or it can be done with like maybe a number 3 guard or a 4 guard, and then blend it up to where it's slightly longer into this area, which means as this falls down, it looks like the hair is actually layered and feathered back. But because there's a little bit of length in through here, it actually supports this So it looks like it's a bit layered, but this is a really heavy duty 90s type of look, which, you know, I think it's gonna make a little bit of a comeback, especially if somebody's never had this before, but this really works great for someone who's got really thick hair and it tends to be really bulky throughout the sides here. But this is something that I think is always gonna be in style and have a special place.